Hello and welcome. This is the Casio A-130 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, first we have to set our time zone to T1. That is done when you see the time over here and the date up here by pressing the lower right button. As you can see, I'm shuffling between T1 to T4. I'm going to leave it at T1. Once I've set it to T1, I'm going to press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. Sorry, let me... And there it is. The seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. We cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what we can do is reset them to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button. As you saw, they reset it to 0. Now, when I press the mode button, I'm moving on to setting my daylight saving time mode. It's also flashing over here. So currently it's set to off, but by pressing the lower right button, I'm shuffling between on or off, and I'm turning my time zone on or off. Let's leave it at on. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm shuffling my home city. You can press the upper right button or lower right button to shuffle your home city and hence your time zone. My time zone is the Paris time zone, so I'm going to keep pressing the lower right button in this case until I get it to Paris time zone. And there it is. Once I've set my time zone, I'm going to press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my hour value. Currently it is 19 o'clock in my time zone, so I can press the upper right button or lower right button. Since the watch is in the 12-hour time format, I'm going to aim at 7 p.m. and that's the correct time. Next, we press the mode button, and now I'm setting my minutes value. I'm shuffling it by pressing the upper right one or lower right button. In my time zone, it is 19 o'clock or 7 p.m. and 55 minutes. I'm going to set it to 55 minutes. Once I'm done, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm changing my time format. Currently, as I've said, it's set to 12-hour time format. By pressing the lower right button, I'm shuffling between 12 or 24-hour time format. I'm going to leave it at 24-hour time format. Now, once I've set it, I'm going to press the mode button, and now I'm setting my year value. To set my year value, I'm going to press the upper or lower right button until I get it to the designated year. Currently is 2026, so I'm going to leave it at that. Once I've set my year value, I'm going to press the mode button again, and now I'm setting my month value. As you can see, I'm shuffling between 1 to 12. Each number corresponds to the month. Currently, I'm in July, so it's number 7. When I press the mode button again, I'm now changing my day value. Currently, it is 28th of July, and I can decrease it or increase it by pressing the right buttons on the side, upper or lower one. So let me get it to 28, and there it is. So I have set my day value. Press the mode button again, and now I'm changing my illumination duration. What it is? Well, when you press the light button in the standard timekeeping mode to illuminate your screen, this over here determines how long will your light on the display stay lit on. So this means that it will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. When I change it to 3 by pressing the lower right button, it means that now when I press the light button, the illumination will stay lit on for 3 seconds. So with that, I'm changing my illumination duration, whether I want it 3 seconds or 1.5 seconds. Once we have said that, I'm going to press the mode button again, and we are back at the beginning and the seconds are flashing, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date on this watch. Now, to implement the settings, simply press the upper left button once. The seconds have stopped flashing, and we are back in the standard timekeeping zone with the time set correctly. So it is 28th of July on a Tuesday, and it's 19 o'clock and 58 minutes. And that would be all. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.